2010 Pontiac Vibe. We are doing the brake pads and rotors. I want to show you before taking off the tires, before jacking up the vehicle, you want to put the parking brake on, and then brake it just a little bit, lug nuts. Because if you jack it up first, it could be a pain because the wheel will keep spinning, and so when it's on the ground the wheel's not spinning. That's why it's important to break it loose first. Don't take them all the way off because you haven't jacked up the car yet. Next, you want to find a suitable place. You can see here, a suitable place to jack it up on the frame. Right here, parking brake's on. Watch the tires. You don't want to jack it up too much. See, tires are off the ground. And now, this is where we want to put the jack stand. Find a good spot for it. And you can put it right here. And then we turn the handle slowly, watching it. Okay. Again, just leave a little bit of pressure on the jack